A new day has begun for the construction team. Let's take a look at the orders. These are the orders we need to complete today. Construction team, roll out! You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. There's a pile of dirt. We can't get through. Kids, which construction vehicle should we use? Bulldozer. Push the dirt out of the way so we can get through. Woohoo! The dirt is pushed in. Time to equip the magical item. Here is the gem. Let's start digging.
Woohoo! All the gems have been dug up. Thank you.
It is just a piece of cake. Construction team, mission accomplished. The card is rusty. Let's fix it. It's a dirty tool head. Change it. An urgent mission is here! I want to build a new house, but I don't have a crane. Can you help me build a house with a crane? No problem, I'll take care of it. The crane is ready. Let's go! There's a pile of dirt. We can't get through. Kids, which construction vehicle should we? Bulldozer. Push the dirt out of the way so we can get through. Woohoo! The dirt is pushed in. to build a house. Use the joystick to drag the materials to build the house. Let's decorate the house. Let's decorate the house. Let's decorate the house. This house is so beautiful. Thank you for your help. I have a new house now. You're welcome. Construction team, mission accomplished. An urgent mission is here. I want to build a Ferris wheel in the amusement park. Can you help me? No problem. Leave it to me. Let's push the dirt away and level the ground. Now, dig a hole for the Ferris wheel. Now use the crane to build the Ferris wheel. Wow! The Ferris wheel is done! It's beautiful!
Whoa!
Thank you. The Ferris wheel you built is so fun. The work of the construction team is all done. Let's call it a day.